In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a booking website on Shopify. If you're looking to streamline your business operations and simplify the way customers book your services, this guide is just for you. We'll be walking through the process of setting up a booking system on Shopify using an app that can enhance your online store's capabilities. First, you need to head to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find tons of apps that can integrate with your store. You're going to want to find an app that can manage bookings effectively. One popular option is an appointment booking app. These types of apps are specifically designed to handle scheduling for services, ensuring that everything is organized and easy for both you and your clients. Once you've found an app that fits your needs, the next step is installation. Click on the app and follow the prompts to install it into your Shopify store. After installation, it's time to set up your booking system. Look for the option to activate the calendar widget. This widget is a crucial feature, visually displaying your available times and allowing customers to book directly from the web page. When activated, it should appear on your online storefront, so customers can immediately see your availability. Make sure to verify that the widget is properly synced with your scheduling app and that it reflects the correct dates and times. At this point, once you've got the calendar set up, you need to enable manual bookings. This is an important step as it allows for more flexibility in managing your services. By selecting manual booking, you gain control over the scheduling process, which can be especially useful for businesses that require more interaction with customers before setting a final appointment. Navigate through the app's options until you find the manual booking section. Once in the manual booking section, you'll see options to select the specific service you want to offer and match it with the appropriate customer. It's important to ensure each service is well defined within the app to avoid any confusion. Take a moment to review your list of services and ensure they align with what your customers need. Next, if you haven't added your customers yet, now is the time to do so by clicking on Create Customer. This feature lets you add clients to your system manually, ensuring that contact information and booking preferences are stored efficiently. By doing this, you not only streamline the booking process, but also build a database of clients, which can be incredibly helpful for future marketing and customer relationship management. And there you have it. These steps will enable you to create a fully functional booking website on Shopify, offering your customers a seamless way to schedule services with your business. You're now equipped to manage appointments more effectively, leaving you with more time to focus on what you do best. Thank you for watching, and happy booking.